I am checking out this Faraday bag from Faraday Defense. Let's open it up and take a look at it. So it's a decent sized bag, large enough for a phone. You can tell that there's something going on with the lining. It's fairly thick, so we can take this phone and we'll set it in here. And it says to fold it over twice. So there's once and then twice. There's a place here on the back for cards. And now its phone is in here, and now the phone is off air, offline, off grid. We pull it out and take a look. It is in fact no signal. So that's pretty neat. Works as described. If you want to just subtly take your phones offline, the nice line of Velcro there makes it quick and easy. Also nice and secure, nice way to secure your phones. So depending on where you're going, traveling with it this way, your phones would be lost from the GPS signals as well. Very nice. There might be enough room in here for two phones, but I'm filming with the other phone. We'll have to check that out in another video. The Faraday bag from Faraday Defense. Isolate your gear, block your signal.